My house has been literally crying out for me to save it. It was so messed up, so dirty, the carpet and just everything. And I had some cleaners coming in today to clean everything up, and so because everything is sorted, this is a short video of just getting everything back inside, organizing and arranging everything. Yeah, let me show you the seats. Yeah, my seats are down there. I hope they have dried. Well, it's not even sunny anymore, so if they have not, we'll just have to, fingers crossed, hope that they dry in the house. But the carpet is back. They took the carpet yesterday and brought it back today. It's clean, super scented and just beautiful. So come, let's go organize. Let's go organize. If you're new here, my beautiful name is Mawa. It's sunny. I don't even know how to film this properly, but my beautiful name is Mawa. I am a mom, a wife, and I do most of homekeeping, recipes, and just everything to get our life simpler and easier. So if that is your kind of content, remember to hit that subscribe button. I am super excited to do this. I feel like this is just some sort of recipe. I don't know, sorry. Oh my god, I have recipes running in my mind right now. So I feel like this is some kind of therapy. For me especially, I love decluttered space. I feel cluttered when my space has so many tiny or mess or just anything. If you get me, comment down below. But when cleaning up, organizing, I will also have like a worship tune just going on, because I feel like it's a moment that just heals your mind, heals your heart, heals your body. Literally, it's free therapy. So let's go do that. I'm loving my hair. This is Christmas hair, by the way. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Let's go sort that mess in the house. Love you.
If you wanna know how to live, just look at Mawa Says. In her 20s, she is living in a time of unrest. No regrets, no forgets. If you're tired and you wanna rest, look to Mawa Says. I suggest in your 20s, you are Mawa Says. You should see how she's doing it. She's the best. Mawa Says, doing her best. 20-something Mawa Says, hey, how do you do that? Living life like Mawa Says. I don't know how she do it. If you wanna see how it's done, you should see Mawa Says. How she moves, she's smooth with every step and with every breath. She is blessed in the land of the brave and the home of the oppressed. She's the best, she is blessed. She's the 20-something Mawa Says. She's the best, Mawa Says, doing her best. Ooh.